Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and thanks for joining me tonight. I am Cherry Mark. As you have seen from my previous videos, I'm here to give you a quick review from my Istanbul, Turkey vacation, which we had recently, it was like 1 or 2 weeks ago, not really sure. But this is what I'm going to do. So point number one, if you're planning to go to Turkey, make sure if you don't hold a EU visa passport, then be prepared to apply for your visa. And this is something that you need to plan like before. However, if you most probably do not make this in time, you have the opportunity to get a quick visa or a visa right at the airport. So be very careful about this and keep watch about your documents. This is very crucial, being that we are having issues in the European continent, that they are having what do you call this, that they are having refugees coming in and all that drama. Just to be on the safe side, apply for a visa and make sure before your travel you've done that either in your home country or in the Turkey Ataturk International Airport. There you can get an express visa. This is what I did apparently. Well, point number two, if you're planning to go to Istanbul, Turkey, be warned, the people are amazing, really nice people, friendly, open, oh my gosh, familiar, really open to families and relatives. You know, Turkish people are one that always have their families together, families, and you know, there are millions and millions of cousins, I don't know, brothers, sisters, whatever you call it. Be warned, these people are extraordinarily friendly, and this is one amazing thing why I so much love the country. Point number three, when you travel there, you do not need to go with lots of cash. You do not need to spend a lot. One thing is, Turkey is really affordable. Affordable. The foods, the restaurants, the hotels, Airbnbs, whatever. These are things that are really affordable. So if you are traveling on budget, be just comfortable to get there, because you are going to end up spending as little as you would have never as you wouldn't have imagined. So it's worth it. Well, point number four, the traffic in Istanbul is crazy. Crazy. If you're planning to drive in Istanbul, that which is really good, just be very careful the way you maneuver yourself in the streets, because the drivers there are unapologetically driving from one lane to the next lane, from right to the left, you know, without any indication, any signal, and people are crossing roads like crazy. I think the driving system, okay, the traffic system over there is much or very close to that what I have seen or what I experienced in Kenya or in Nairobi. So be warned, if you are traveling there and you want to drive, just be very smart in the way you maneuver yourself. Number five. Number five. The food. The food is amazing. It's wow. You want to eat fresh vegetables, plenty of fruits, then Turkey is the best place to be. You know about the watermelons that are really big, the size of a small fetus, or really the size of a small baby. This is the place to get all the vitamins that you've ever dreamt of. From watermelons to grapes to pineapples to apples to whatever, call it, name it, this is the place where you get fruits. Fruits vendors are all over, in the streets, everywhere. So you can get your fruits, your food, anything, anytime and anywhere. There are no rules that prevent people from selling the thing they have is the food, the fruits, and everything is all over. I mean all over. While we were in Istanbul, we pretty much had a lot of food and stuff all over the city. From doner kebab to chai, the drinks, and to bread, potatoes, chips, whatever, sausages, name it. Excuse me, my phone is ringing at the background. Oh, thank you. Well, back to point number six. Number six. Well, if you are planning to travel or to go to Turkey, just be very sure you are familiar to the Muslim culture. These people are very strict to their culture, and it is your duty to abide with what they do. Remember, they only eat lamb, beef, and they never ever have to do anything with pork. So if you are a fan of pork, this is not the place to be. Second, if you are that person who is going on vacations to enjoy alcohol and blah 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 that stuff, be very careful, because this is a Muslim country and most of these Muslims do not consume alcohol. This is, I think, according to their belief, it's not allowed. So just enjoy your time there. Take your cup of chai or whatever fruit drink you want. They have a major variety of it, and forget about that alcohol stuff. So I think these are some of my beautiful moments and facts from my Istanbul, Turkey vacation. One thing I did forget. Oh my goodness. I forgot to mention the Turkish culture is amazing. It's amazing. Are you interested to know about the prophets, the Muslim prophets, their religion, and you know that Turkish culture in general is very interesting, and most of all they have very nice music. The Turkish music is amazing. It's wow. Everywhere you are driving around Istanbul, you would just hear them driving their cars and the full music on, with that kind of music where they play, you know, the belly dance and many other. Yeah, I'm not here to dance anyway, but that's one thing I so much enjoyed about it. And not forgetting, if you're going to Turkey, relax, 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 calm down. This is not just a common European country, no, it's totally the opposite of any other country you might have seen in Europe. With this I mean the people there are so relaxed and chilled. Nobody is on hectic, nobody is stressing, nobody is oh time blah blah blah, hey why you coming so late, hey why you moving so slow. No, forget about that, put that back home. Go there, enjoy your time. Everything is so relaxing. Like what they do, how they speak, what they carry on in the streets, and everywhere, it's relaxing. Exactly what I have seen in Africa, and this is what they have. Like nobody is hectic there, nobody is stressing there, nobody is having such a mask, or I don't know, some kind of ugly faces or sad faces and that thing. No, they are all happy, really happy people, and relaxed, really satisfied with what they have. And this is the best thing about it all. The shops there are open all over the day, from morning to night, 24/7 in other words. And you get anything anytime you want, without any stress. Everything is so easy going, comfortable, and just amazing. Their way of doing the thing is amazing. So I think that's it all about my review. I wish you all a good night and a very beautiful weekend ahead. See you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching me.